Imagine a train, not gliding smoothly across flat land, but climbing almost vertically like a mountain goat. Sounds impossible, right? But this is the story of the train that defied gravity. In the 19th century, engineers faced a problem: how to carry people and cargo across steep, dangerous mountains where ordinary railroads failed. Enter the rack railway, a mind-bending invention that used gears and teeth on the track to help trains climb slopes no normal locomotive could handle. Instead of slipping on steel rails, these trains locked into the mountain itself, clawing their way upward with mechanical precision. The idea was inspired by nature. Just as mountain goats grip rocks, rack trains grip the tracks with an iron bite. One of the earliest and most famous was built in the Swiss Alps, where gradients reached up to 48%. Slopes so steep, even horses couldn't climb them. Passengers described the ride as both terrifying and breathtaking, a slow crawl into the sky, with valleys dropping away beneath their feet. The technology worked through a third rail, a ladder-like strip of iron with teeth, into which the train's cogwheel locked, pulling it upward step by step. These trains didn't just climb mountains, they conquered them, opening once isolated villages to the outside world. Rack railways weren't limited to Switzerland. They spread to America, Japan, India, and beyond, wherever mountains challenged human ambition. One of the most dramatic is the Mount Washington Cog Railway in New Hampshire, the world's first mountain climbing train, still running today. Early engines belched smoke into the sky, echoing like thunder through the valleys, as if the mountain itself was roaring back. But there were dangers. A single gear failure could mean disaster, with trains sliding backward into the abyss. That's why engineers developed powerful braking systems, safety switches, and gear reinforcements, making sure the mountain train stayed locked to its track. Over time, these iron beasts became not just transport machines, but tourist attractions, carrying millions to mountaintops once thought unreachable. And as technology advanced, steam engines gave way to clean electric rack trains, climbing higher, faster, and safer than ever before. Today, some of the most extreme examples are found in the Himalayas and Japanese Alps, railways twisting and turning through dizzying heights. Looking out from the window, you don't just see tracks, you see clouds below, as the train climbs into a world usually reserved for eagles. These trains became symbols of engineering courage, proof that humans could master even the steepest challenges nature put in front of them. From hauling coal and goods to carrying tourists eager for the view, rack railways shaped both economies and imaginations. And yet, despite modern highways and helicopters, these iron mountain goats still hold a special place in our world. Part machine, part legend. So the next time you think trains just go straight, remember this: some trains climb mountains like goats. Would you dare ride one? Tell me in the comments, and don't forget to subscribe for more stories of inventions that defy belief.